All right, this is the Star Wars A Collection for Kohl's shower curtain, 70 inches long, 72 inches of width, standard size. And originally the price on this thing was $39.99. Woo, bargain. And then it was marked down to $15.99. Well, before that, I think it was even a little bit more, then marked down to $15.99. And then I found it in a clearance bin for $7.99. Plus, I had $5 Kohl's cash burning a hole in my pocket. So I had to, Han Solo right on the classic pose. The classic pose with the raised blaster right off the bat. Okay, we're going to open this thing up and see. So basically this cost me $3.20 out of pocket after my freebie Kohl's cash. Let's see what this thing looks like. Oh, my girlfriend's going to be so excited. Yeah. So anyway, oh look, pretty piece of cardboard too. All right, let's get this thing undone here. Wow, check that out. Yoda up top. The Death Star being attacked. Can you see all this? Yoda up top. Luke. I don't ever remember him using that particular lightsaber move on the Death Star, but hey, you know, whatever. And then Stormtroopers, Han Solo, Darth right in the front. He's the best. Got some Boba Fett action there. We got like a TIE fighter pilot. We got the Millennium Falcon. We got this dude. We're gonna call him Wedge Antilles, but I'm not sure if that's Wedge or not. Leia's down here. What? Come on, man. What's up with Leia being down here? That ain't right. Anyway, Leia relegated to the lower left-hand corner and the droids. So that's your unboxing video of the really awesome shower curtain that is now going up in my bathroom to match the R2-D2 shower head that I got at Bed Bath & Beyond. So a little bit of a mixed metaphor there. Kohl's, Bed Bath & Beyond. But hey, you know, not bad for $3.20, right? Pretty cool. Could even use it as a drape or something. Or your kid's birthday party. You can put it up on the wall. Or, you know, get creative with it, people. All right, great. If you like this video, even if you didn't, hit the like button for me. That makes me make more videos. And you're bound to like one of them. And subscribe, man, because like that's what we do for each other, people. And go out there and like do something nice for somebody today. That's gonna make you feel so much better. It's gonna make them feel better. It's just gonna like spread it around. So all right, may the force be with you, folks. Take care.